In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Freshdesk API key, whether you're integrating your Freshdesk with other software, developing an application, or automating your workflows, having your API key is crucial. Let's dive in and make this process as simple as possible. First things first, navigate to the Freshdesk website. Once there, you'll want to log into your account. Click on the login button, type in your email address, then click continue. This step is quite straightforward. However, ensure you're entering the email associated with your Freshdesk account to avoid any login issues. Once you've successfully logged in, look for your profile photo. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. It's a small but significant step toward accessing your API key, so don't skip it. After you click on your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Profile Settings. This is where Freshdesk houses personal account information, including the API key we're after. In the Profile Settings section, you'll find the View API Key button. This is your gateway to your Freshdesk API key. Click on it. For security reasons, Freshdesk may prompt you with a captcha verification. Just complete it if it appears. This extra step is there to ensure that it's really you trying to access sensitive information. Following the captcha verification, you should now be able to see your API key. This string of characters is unique to your account and serves as a password for accessing Freshdesk's API. It's crucial you keep this key safe and not share it with unauthorized individuals, as it grants access to your Freshdesk data. But wait, there's one more step. It's important to verify that your API key is correctly associated with your help desk. To do this, navigate within your Freshdesk account to Help Desk Test. This peculiar step might seem like a deviation, but it's a good way to ensure that your API key is active and ready to use. Lastly, you might have noticed options to click on H, select Profile Settings again, choose Arabic, and then Highlight. While these steps might seem out of the ordinary, they are artifacts of navigating through Freshdesk settings and adjusting them to your preference. For the purpose of our guide, and to keep things simple, remember that our main focus was to retrieve your API key, which by now you should have successfully done. Congratulations, you now have your Freshdesk API key. Remember, this key is like a digital passport for integrating numerous services with your Freshdesk account. Keep it confidential and use it wisely to enhance your productivity and customer service experience. That wraps up our guide. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and manageable for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Freshdesk account. Happy integrating!